I want to just feel excited.
You're new here, drop a follow.
Oh? This is good.
You're making me nervous or whatever. Yeah, I know all your backups. Might as well follow me, huh? If I'm missing any comments, I'm so sorry. They're going by fast and I only have the phone that's recording. Ash? Wait, no. Hi. Oh, there you are, Jasmine. Got it. Thank you for the follows. Hey, yo, don't talk to my mods like that.
I did a roll.
I don't know, you guys are making me nervous with so many people are you in here.
Take it, I guess.
That's crazy. Oh my god, you weren't even gonna tell me that was about to flip? That's crazy. Wait, did I sprinkle some already? Wow, y'all fake. Right, Yessie? Thank you for the kitties. To be honest, I'm not the best person to ask what certain laundry smells like because they all smell the same to me. Powder has been sold out. No, nose is not. With a bunch of trash bags. Let me open up the charisma bag. Where did it go?
Wait, bear back, bear back, bear back.
Okay. I do. Oh, look at the little specks. It's like orange specks. That's pretty. Oh my goodness. Yes, I do have. We still have liquid going in. And we still have
Holy
liquid for
shit,
sale.
I cannot believe you got this away. Okay. That was insane.
We have one $10 fabric softener, one $6 fab, yeah, one $7 Lysol, and two $5 Lysols, and that's it. Woodpecker might as well be. Oh no, I shouldn't say that. Anyways. Hi. How much more powder is going in? I don't know. Little over 24 cans and like two and a half bags left of laundry. What do you mean never? You're gonna hold me around. Catnap. Thank you for the follows. No baking soda. Oh, where'd it go? This shelf is sold out. Sorry, I'm missing comments. Let me change out my gloves. 3. Oh. Then hand mix.
Yeah.
It can be last bumps into the last, like the last thing I said, which all in, or the multiple, like want it to last, so multiple powder bombs, and then. And do you want? Is it okay for some laundry to go in with it? That's what happens when I choose to go online on the weekend. You're like, you're lying. Hi. Multiple palms with you. Okay. You got it.
Okay.
Literally, why? Because, I don't know, free will. Anyways, let's go with hola.
No. I thought people were coming. I'm confused.
Still a little over 24 cans left to go in.
Both the Twitch and the Brent, like, angry, so I'm not really going on it. Let's start the situation.
Thank you. Oh, you saw that? The little dust. Not dust. What's a freak? Y'all saw that? That pink? Is that for the Charisma? Or for the Blanca? That's crazy. I've never seen that happen. Oh, I forgot to open this. Thank you for the star.
Oh my god, dude.
I need to buy longer gloves. There is a link that Cole sent me. They were like mint green, but they were like long also. I gotta buy those. I keep forgetting to get those.
What do you mean? Oh,
What if I just...
No, no.
That was kind of weird. Okay. Let's go with a slight.
Yeah, I don't know. That was.
At this point, we need to be. Yep. Okay. Yeah, see. This is gonna be your last lemon can. And now, after these, the OGs are going in. Right? Like your dish soaps already went in, all of your bromas, and now all of your lemon cans. I was right. I was like, is this the cat one? $2K views is crazy. Thank you, Cole. Are you gonna hurt me? I've been on since 11, so it's been 2 hours and some odd minutes.